Hi class, let's get started on our homework number 2. I wanted to go over this with you. So if we look here, we have our problem. Go ahead and take the time to pause the video and read this problem so that we can go over it. All right, so you read the problem and we see that we have 1, 2, and 3 plants and they produce 12, 17, and 11 shipments respectively per month, and that 10 shipments per month need to come from each plant to the respective distribution centers given below. So we have a fixed cost of $85.55 per mile. That 55 cents per mile is an important factor to understand where we're going to be at so that we know how much. So if we look there at that 55 cents per mile, it's important to understand that that's why we need to have good locations of our distribution center so that we can lower our variable costs, so that we can lower the ability to get more profit for those costs. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get to our Excel file, and we're going to look at our Excel file so that we can see how we're going to do this. So one of those things that we're going to look at here is that we have our plants that we got, our $85 fixed costs are 55 cents per mile. Then we have to come in here and get our unit costs. All right, our unit cost is very simple. We're going to take this $85, add it to our variable cost times how many miles, and that gives us 525 miles. So that is a great ability to do that here, and making sure that we get that in accordance. So we do all of those, and we can see here and just look through that we are going to take care of it so that it's taken care of in there. So the next thing we do is we click on our solver through data solver. We're going to change our total costs down here. So let's go ahead and look. My total cost is just the sum product of these and the sum product that are going to be changed. Then we're going to put in our fixed costs, our cost per mile, and then we have our constraints, 12, 17, and 11. 12, 17, and 11. We want to make sure that they equal and that we have a demand of 10, 10, 10, 10 so that we're being received. Let's put that back into our solver. We look here that we're changing this. This is the minimum cost. We do not want to choose max. We want to choose minimum. We want to change the variables here in this chart here so that it tells us the distribution centers that are going to be receiving them. Okay, and in addition to that, and in the here is that we have our total demand. All right, so we place this in, all these in, and we push solve, and we get the number 22,925. Remember that we can print the report as well. I'm just going to say, okay, keep, it's the same. In here, if you have any questions on this, please let me know. Make sure you answer the report and tell me how you got those answers. All right, I'm here to help. Just let me know.